Hamilton Gardens, New Zealand. An amazing place to experience. Whenever Redwood Cafe Tours goes on a tour, I personally go out and go on the tour myself. I pick and choose what experiences I feel will make a fabulous tour. Upon our trip to New Zealand, we went to Hamilton Gardens in Hamilton. Amazing. I loved it. It's an example of great governance. The city fathers in the 1960s, the city encroached on their landfill. They capped the landfill, enriched the soil, hired world-class architects, and started to build themed gardens. The first garden was a rose garden. Subsequently, Japanese gardens, an Egyptian garden. I love the Egyptian garden. When you go on a tour with Redwood Cafe Tours to New Zealand, Hamilton Gardens is going to be a highlight. Watch our video and enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining us for the Hamilton Gardens video.
Welcome to Hamilton Gardens, one of New Zealand's most unique and breathtaking attractions. Nestled in the heart of Hamilton, this isn't just a garden. It's a journey through time, culture, and the art of horticulture. Join us as we explore the story behind its creation, the designers who brought it to life, and how it's maintained as a world-class destination. The story of Hamilton Garden begins in the 1960s, when this site was transformed from rubbish dump into a public park. But it wasn't until Dr. Peter Sagal stepped in that the garden took on their unique identity. His vision? To create a garden of garden, a place where visitors could explore the history and culture of horticulture from around the world. Today, the Paradise Garden Collection is a testament to that vision, featuring stunning designs like the Italian Renaissance garden and the serene Japanese garden. Each garden at Hamilton Gardens is a masterpiece designed by experts in their fields. The Japanese landscape architects, while the Indian Charbagh garden reflects the symmetry and spirituality of Mughal designs. The Tudor gardens takes you back to 16th century England. The Surrealist gardens invites you into a world of imagination. These gardens aren't just beautiful, they're educational, telling the story of human civilization through plant and design. Building Hamilton Gardens has been a decades-long labour of love. From the first themed gardens in the 1980s to the opening expansions today, each phase has been carefully planned and executed. The gardens have grown from a simple park to a sprawling complex of over 50 hectares, with new additions like the American Modernist Garden and the Chinese Scholars Garden. And the work isn't done. There's always something new to discover. Maintaining Hamilton Gardens is no small feat. Each garden requires specialised care. From the meticulous pruning of the Japanese garden to the organic practices used in the kitchen garden, substantiality is a top priority, with composting, water conservation, and integrated pest management ensuring the gardens thrive without harming the environment. And it's not just the staff, volunteers and community groups play a vital role in keeping the gardens pristine. Beyond its beauty, Hamilton Gardens is a hub of culture and education. School groups come here to learn about horticulture and history, while events like Hamilton Gardens Art Festival bring the space to life with music, theatre and art. The gardens also collaborate with the universities and researchers, contributing to our understanding of plants and sustainable practices. The future of Hamilton Gardens is exciting as its past, with plans for new themed gardens, a state-of-the-art visitor centre and enhanced accessibility. The gardens are poised to welcome even more visitors from around the world. It's living, growing testament to the power of nature and human creativity. Hamilton Gardens is more than just a place to visit, it's an experience, a story, and a celebration of our connection to the natural world. Whether you're a local or a traveller, make sure to add this incredible destination to your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. See you next time.
Well, what do you think? Wasn't that amazing? Please watch more of our videos that are coming forward now. Subscribe to our channel and send us your email address so we can keep you updated on our current tours that we're doing and many more exciting developments. Thank you so much for Redwood Cafe Tours.